Wel- Welcome to masterclass. This is has to do with chapter 3, 4, and 5. Okay, there's also provision for personal assistance if you want us to help you. Okay, now the masterclass on project writing steps and guide to write to chapter 3. Now, the chapter 3 has to do with the research methodology. Okay, that is exactly how you go about your research, design of the study. So we have to design quasi, experimental, and then survey design. Should be more than, but I think there are three. Okay, so your model should also assist you in doing that. Okay, and then we have area of the study, the area that you are carrying out the study. Then we have the population of the study. Now, when you talk about the population of the study, is the population that you are trying to study. Now we have the sample and the sampling technique. Now let me give you a quick intro. Let's say you want to carry out a research and then you want to know the effect of writing, the effect of soft copy on student achievement in mathematics, using soft copy materials to study and using hard copy materials to study on student achievement in mathematics. And then your area of study is, let's say, which place is very popular now. Let's say Abuja, a particular local government in Abuja. Okay, let me say Nsukka. Okay, my university, University of Nigeria Nsukka. Let's say it's Nsukka. Okay, now you want to do it for the school like University of Nigeria Nsukka. You find out that the population is too much. Like, the school has thousands and thousands of people offering mathematics in their first year, so the population is extremely much. Okay, you can't actually carry it out because of resources and the rest of them, so you have to come out with a sampling technique to get a suitable sample of that population. Okay, in the University of Nigeria Nsukka, students that offer mathematics, you want to check uh if using soft copy and hard copy makes it easier for them, who among these two persons who will perform more. Okay, so you can't actually use the whole students in University of Nigeria offering mathematics in their first year to carry out this research because the population is much. So you have to come out with a sampling technique that will help you get a sample of that population. Okay, I know what I'm saying might be sounding Greek, but your model will help you understand more. Okay, now you need to carry out your, for those in sciences, is actually practical. Now they carry out their practical. Now remember, I used to emphasize more on this thing. Your model will help you a lot here. Okay, so that is all about it's not all sha. Now the instrument for data collection, we have questionnaire, we have interview, a lot of them. Then you have to go for the validation of instruments. Okay, this may not be applicable for sciences, right, because of theirs is more practical. Okay, but for social sciences and some political sciences, this is the way you go about it. Okay, method of data collection. The method uh is either you use instrument to collect your data. Now your model will still help you understand all these things. Method of data analysis, this is the part you need an expert. Okay, this is the part that you need to consult an expert to help you with your data analysis. Now chapter 4, data analysis and result presentation. For some departments they make use of Excel, while for social sciences you practically use SPSS. Okay, we have other programs like Google Sheet and the rest of them, but you have to use SPSS if you're in social sciences, arts, education. Okay, so here you need a professional to help you run the analysis. Okay, this is the place where you need to outsource the job. If you are not doing the whole, if you have outsourced the whole job to a person to help you write the project, then you don't need to worry yourself about this chapter 4. Like I said, we also offer the service. Okay, but if you are doing it yourself, which is very okay, when you get to chapter 4 you need to outsource the job to people that can help you run the analysis. Unfortunately, we can help you run the analysis. Okay, beloved digital, we can help you run the analysis. Okay, so here is data analysis and result presentation, because the truth is that when you are carrying out research, okay, the research questions need to be answered, and you only have to you answer it mathematically, right? There has to be a quantifiable values in order to validate your research questions. Your research is based on your research questions, and in order to answer your research question, you need to carry out practical, like the sciences or social sciences. You need to carry out some qualitative analysis, okay, like SPSS. You need to run in data, you need to use standard deviation. This is more advanced, okay, it's more advanced than the project itself, because analysis is broad, right? So when we do the research question, you have to also answer the hypothesis. In answering the hypothesis, that is when you do the inferential statistics. We have the 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 basic statistics, that is the first statistics, which tells you the normal stuffs, okay. Forgotten the name now, okay. And then we have the inferential statistics, which you infer to the population. But I will not bore you with that, because you have to outsource this your chapter 4 to a professional to help you run the analysis. If you don't know how to do SPSS or data analysis in Excel or other programs, so like I said, we offer this service. Okay, now chapter 5, you have to discuss your findings from chapter 4. Here you discuss what you found. Okay, that is it. And then your model will guide you through, right? When you use your model, you find out that when you scroll through, when you look at chapter 4, you are seeing number, you are seeing tables of value. For the hypothesis, you are seeing some points, you are seeing some things, okay. Those that what you are seeing there is statistical. SPSS is statistical package for social sciences, so they are running statistics to validate their research questions, okay. So chapter 5, we discuss the findings, okay. Yes, so your model will guide you through. I think we have come to the end of this class. I don't know if you have any question. Feel free to put it on the comment section, because it's going to be on YouTube. Okay, feel free to put it on the comment section. Okay, like I said, we help you handle your project. If you are interested, you can call the number or WhatsApp the number. So kindly use the model, it will help you a lot. Okay, and for questions, please, you can reach out to this number also. If you don't want to use WhatsApp, YouTube, you can use this number also to reach to us. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope that this simple guide will help you. Like, I've exposed you to what you need to know to write your own project, and also to make it easier for you. Okay, thank you very much. And before I forget, the chapter 4, chapter 5, don't allow that thing to stress you. You can always outsource it. Like I said, we are also disposed to help you run your analysis. We offer that service, both Excel and SPSS. We have other programs, but those are the two ones we focus on majorly for now. We intend to move to R and the rest of them. Thank you very much.